Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ and welcome back to our channel. The wait is finally over. Our Razor Tour Pack is here. This is our thinnest tour pack to date with a height of 8 inches, comparing it to our chopped at 10.5 inches and our king, which is 13.75. This is the thinnest tour pack HOGWORKZ offers. HOGWORKZ Razor Tour Packs are available in over 100 OEM color match finishes with your choice of black and chrome hardware, and this Razor pack is going to feature a slim backrest. The best of all, this tour pack is going to install in seconds.
I'm going to show you how to install the tour pack on the mount. In this case, we're going to be working on a lowrider ST. They come in solo and 2-up. Also available for all the touring models and all the Softail models. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so some of the tools you're gonna need is a 7/16 wrench and a 4mm Allen. And the kit will come with the supplied screws, washers, and nuts. All right, the first thing you wanna do is get your mount set up, and then just with the solo pack, and the solo mount, it's a little easier than the 2-up to be able to do it by yourself. You can just kind of set it on here, look underneath, get it close to being aligned. And what you want to do is open up the inside here. Take the supplied plate, put it on the inside. Grab your hardware, and yeah, it looks better.
Never got that called.
Yeah. And once you got your 4 screws fed in from the top, on the underside you want to take your washer and your nut and go ahead and snug those down. Once you got all your screws in, your nuts in place on bottom, you can go ahead and put your wrench on the bottom, tighten your Allen from the top. All right, now that you got everything tightened down, go ahead and close it. It's a lot easier to get the tour pack on if you take your bags off first. Gives you a little more room down there to tighten your latches. All right, now you're ready to put your tour pack on. Go ahead and put the front in first. Make sure your latch is rotated the correct way on both sides. And then just lock them in place. Then after the pack's on, you can go ahead and reinstall your bags.
Okay guys, we have this Razor Tour Pack successfully installed on our lowrider ST. Just to break it down for you guys, the Razor Tour Pack has a height of 8 inches. Our Chop Tour Pack has a height of 10.5 inches, and our King Pack has a height of 13.5 inches. So the Razor Tour Pack is going to be our thinnest tour pack offering from HOGWORKZ.
Man, I'm starving.
Got some pizza for you.
Ooh.
And a beer.
And a beer, huh? Thanks, Kyle.
No problem.
It's a little shook up in there.